One of my best friends on Facebook asked me to. No, he didn't ask. He said he um, found that it was difficult to teach oneself how to click. So I'm going to take this time to illustrate how to click. Clicking is an integral part of the Bantu languages in Africa. I speak a few of those languages and happen to be in a mood to demonstrate a click. First, your tongue must be at the buccal roof. You pretend that it is glued there with something like not peanut butter, like super glue, and your intention is to pull it down to its speaking position. I'm going to demonstrate. See that? Now put my tongue up. I try to put the tongue in two different positions. You just pick any position that's comfortable to you. With time, you will learn what position provides the loudest and the squeakiest click depending on the emotion you want to create. Okay, tongue is on the roof and I'm going to force it down. That is how to produce a click. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you, Seven, for showing interest in how to produce a click because you gave me something to do. I find that I have been very useful this afternoon, and so what? I'm just having a great time, I suppose. Talk to you soon, and you're welcome to post questions here or look for me on Facebook. Ciao.